All right, now today is the day that Kenyans will be watching and anticipating to see whether Oburu Odinga is gonna show himself up in public. Why? Because of three reasons. Number one, his bona fide sister Ruth Odinga said that Oburu Odinga has taken a 3-day sabbatical leave from politics to Dubai. That 3-day window ended at midnight, and therefore today is like a D-Day. Number two, for a fact that Oburu Odinga is a public servant, therefore the people he serves need to know the whereabouts of Oburu Odinga. Number three, because of the Information Act that was passed in 2016, where Kenyans are liable and privy to access any information of any public servant, then Kenyans are also watching to see whether Oburu Odinga would appear in public today. Or the question still is, where is Oburu Odinga?